Shalom, dear intercessors and watchmen on the walls of Jerusalem. Well, this week the Christ at the Checkpoint conference was held in Bethlehem, which is, this conference is nothing but a manifestation and proclamation against the prophetic word, targeting especially those Christians who believe that Israel is a fulfillment of prophecy. And the theme this year was the gospel in the midst of religious extremism. They whitewashed the Islamic religion, but instead specifically targeted Christian Zionists as the big problem to world peace. So welcome into the battle, friends. We are targeted by this conference that is today now being supported and backed by the largest theological centers in the United States. Both Wheaton College in Chicago as well as Fuller Theological Seminary in Pasadena, California, support this message coming out from this conference. So we're living in days of deception like never before in history, just like Yeshua said it would be in the end times. But in the midst of this, friends, we are calling for a celebration of the Feast of Tabernacles this fall in Jerusalem to counter this deception. We are going to not just gather here in Jerusalem during this feast and worship the Lord. We're going to celebrate the feast. And to our knowledge, this is the first time in history that Christians are invited to actually celebrate the Feast of Tabernacles in Jerusalem, just like it says in the book of Zechariah that every nation will do in the Messianic kingdom. And also we see this in Revelation chapter 7, how people from every tribe and tongue and nation under heaven will come before the throne of God and worship Him waving palm branches. This is a direct reference to the Feast of Tabernacles being fulfilled in Jerusalem. So you can be a part of this celebration. You can do something practical to support the state of Israel and the Jewish people in their battle and put feet to your prayers by joining us in Jerusalem this fall. And we ask you to pray that the manifestation of God's presence and glory will come during this celebration. So a specific prayer point and highlight, I should say, during this celebration will be that the presence of God and the glory of God will return soon to Zion, where God is going to restore this place and the Messiah will rule the nations from the Temple Mount. And we are going to pray also and support the Jewish people's right to pray on their most holy site. So it's going to be a very, very important celebration, a prophetic feast here in Jerusalem. And we ask all of you to join us in prayer for this important event. Thank you for standing with us. Go to our website, thewatchman.org, and find out more about our celebration in Jerusalem during the Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot 2016. And also you see the prayer points in our prayer alert that we are asking you to join with us in prayer about during this week. So God bless you and thank you for your prayers, and shalom from Israel.